We're diving into Photoshop to make an epic neon glow logo that's going to pop right off the screen. Grab the text tool and type a bold L. Keep it clean and stylish. Now right-click on the text layer, give it a rasterize, and bam! We're ready for action. Pick the ellipse tool and draw a circle. Hold Shift to keep it perfectly round, because we're going pro here. Crank up that thickness for extra drama. Right-click the circle layer and rasterize. Next, select all layers and align everything dead center for that perfect symmetry. Switch to the pen tool and draw a crisp, straight line across the canvas. Nice and steady. Now the fun part. Grab the curvature pen tool and start adding curves along that line. Watch it transform. When you're happy with the shape, right-click, make it a selection, and rasterize it. Pick a new color for the foreground. Press Alt plus Backspace and fill the shape with a vibrant splash of color. Now, Ctrl plus J to duplicate this layer and move the copy down. Duplicate once more, but this time shrink it a bit. Swing it up to the top left of the circle and give it a slight rotation. Fancy, right? Let's clean things up. Hide the background layer, select the top layer, and hit Ctrl plus Shift plus E to merge those layers together. Then bring back the background by unhiding it. Grab the magic eraser tool, tap where you want to erase, and let it work its magic. We're making serious moves now. Now time for the final touch. Hide the background layer one last time. And here's the twist. Go grab that neon mockup from the link in the description. Once you've got it, double-click to open it in a new window. Drag your glowing logo in. Hide the background layer, size it up, and close the window to save. And there you have it, your very own neon glow logo that's cooler than cool. Throw it on your next project and watch the magic happen. Thank you for following along. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Photoshop tips and creative tutorials. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.